Good call, Larry. Got us a quarter there. Well, good morning. I'm out here at a different park today. New to me, so there's no place to park but out on the main street out there. And it's a huge park. I'll show you a little bit more of it a little bit later, but right now I'm going to try this volleyball court right here. It's close. Kind of boring inside the volleyball, so I stepped outside here. This is a second target I found. It's about a 22, but might be a little deeper. Right here. Like some little knob of some kind of. It's aluminum. Right here. Solid 20. And looks we got kind of bit a penny anyways. So far, 20 solid. Mixed 22. There it is. There it is. That's not a penny, but no, it's a dime. Nice. Thought maybe it was. It's hitting 25. Nice. A target here on the playgrounds in the sand. $28, $29. Yep. Good call, Larry. Got us a quarter there on that one. Yeah, we had a $21, $22, $24 right here. All right, that's one I can dig. Well, a little bit deeper down there. There it is. Looks like a dime. Yep. Got us a dime on that one. That's some kind of metal right there. And it's a little aluminum rivet. Trash. Where's your 25, 29? There it is. Quarter. Might be another quarter. There it is. Nice shiny quarter. Here, probably a penny. There it is.
Oh my God. Are you going down that big?
Penny. Probably a quarter. There you go, quarter. 13 going here. Yeah, well. Pull tab. Well, we're going to wrap it up out here at the park today. When I first got out here, first of all, the parking sucks. It's all on the street, and this is I think about 8 acres total here. So the best thing happened to me is those little sandy playgrounds over there. Found about $1.50 there in quarters. And the biggest disappointment was the soccer field and the ball field. That's all artificial turf. Only been out here about an hour and 15 minutes. But I did pretty good, considering. There's 4 quarters, 2 dimes, and some pennies. And that's all the trash I dug. Pretty clean park, pretty clean. Well, that's about a wrap for today. It's nice and cool here in the shade, but we'll try another park another time. Thanks for coming along.